Green jade vine in the Philippine rainforest. The green jade vine, scientifically known as Strongyloidon macrobotris, is a stunning and rare flowering plant native to the Philippines. It is renowned for its striking turquoise to emerald green flowers, which hang in long cascading clusters. Here's some information about the green jade vine in the Philippine rainforest. 1. Habitat. Green jade vine is primarily found in the rainforests of the Philippines, particularly on the islands of Luzon, Leyte, and Mindanao. It thrives in the moist, tropical climate of the region. 2. Appearance. The green jade vine is a woody vine that can grow to impressive lengths, often reaching up to 18 meters, 59 feet. Its compound leaves are comprised of 3 leaflets, and it has tendrils that help it cling to support structures. The most striking feature, however, is its vibrant green, claw-shaped flowers that can be up to 90 centimeters, 35 inches, long. 3. Pollination. The unusual color and shape of the flowers are adapted for a specific pollinator, the bat. Bats are attracted to the vivid color and feed on the nectar within the flowers. As they do so, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating pollination. 4. Conservation status. Green jade vine is classified as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Its populations in the wild are threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation, as well as the collection of its striking flowers for horticultural purposes. 5. Cultivation. Due to its beauty and uniqueness, the green jade vine is often cultivated in botanical gardens and private gardens worldwide. It is, however, a challenging plant to grow outside of its native habitat due to its specific pollination requirements and the need for a large support structure to accommodate its vigorous growth. 6. Cultural significance. The green jade vine is a source of pride for the Philippines and is sometimes referred to as tayabak in Filipino. It is not only admired for its beauty, but also plays a role in cultural and ecological conservation efforts in the region. 7. Conservation efforts. Efforts are being made to protect the natural habitat of the green jade vine and to ensure its survival in the wild. Conservation organizations in the Philippines are working to educate the public about the importance of preserving this species and its ecosystem. 8. Tourist attractions. Botanical gardens and parks in the Philippines that have successfully cultivated green jade vines often feature them as a tourist attraction. Visitors come to marvel at the vine's unique beauty and vibrant green flowers. 9. Blooming season. The green jade vine typically blooms during the dry season in the Philippines, which usually occurs from February to April. During this time, its cascading clusters of bright green flowers create a spectacular display in its native habitat. 10. Propagation. Green jade vines can be propagated from seeds or cuttings. However, growing them from seeds can be a lengthy process, and success rates can be low. Cuttings from established plants tend to be a more reliable method of propagation. 11. Cultural and symbolic significance. In Filipino culture, the green jade vine is often associated with love and romance. Its beautiful, unique flowers have inspired poems, songs, and stories. In some Filipino traditions, it is believed that couples who touch the flowers of the green jade vine together will have a lasting and loving relationship. 12. Endangered status. The green jade vine status as a vulnerable species underscores the importance of conserving its natural habitat. The destruction of rainforests in the Philippines, primarily due to logging and agriculture, poses a significant threat to its survival. Conservation efforts aim to protect not only the green jade vine, but also the entire ecosystem it depends on. 13. Other names. In addition to its scientific name and the Filipino name tayabak, the green jade vine is sometimes referred to as emerald vine or turquoise vine because of the striking color of its flowers. 14. Horticultural challenges. As mentioned earlier, cultivating green jade vines outside of their native habitat can be challenging. They require a substantial support structure to accommodate their growth, as well as specific conditions to encourage pollination by bats. 15. Research and conservation. Research on the green jade vine is ongoing, with a focus on understanding its ecology, reproductive biology, and conservation needs. Conservation organizations in the Philippines are actively involved in preserving this species and its rainforest habitat. The green jade vine is a botanical wonder that showcases the incredible diversity of plant life in the Philippine rainforests. Its striking appearance and role in bat pollination make it a unique and valuable part of the country's natural heritage. However, it is essential to continue efforts to conserve its habitat and ensure its survival for future generations to appreciate. Please subscribe the channel and share the video.